How many elephants fit in a Tesla? 4. How do you hide an elephant? Paint its toenails red and put it in a strawberry patch. Have you ever seen an elephant in a strawberry patch? See, it works. How do you kill a blue elephant? With a blue elephant gun. How do you kill a pink elephant? You hold its nose until it turns blue and kill it with the blue elephant gun. How can you tell if there's an elephant in the refrigerator? Footprints in the butter. How can you tell if there's 2 elephants in the refrigerator? 2 sets of footprints in the butter. How can you tell if there's 3 elephants in the refrigerator? Can't close the door. How can you tell if there's 4 elephants in the refrigerator? There is a Tesla in the driveway.